I am a panda. Whoa, panda. That is Black Veil Brides, because Poe listens to Black Veil Brides, because Poe is an emo mosher. Ah, raw, 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 raw. But, unfortunately, I was in Newcastle because I might have to get a brace, sad face. But I don't have to, but I might anyway. Hold on a second. It is easier to make videos when there is no Black Veil Brides playing in the background. Oh, hold on again. We appear to have been attacked by a kitty cat when trying to make our video. Say hello to YouTube, kitty cat. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Oh, it's so tiny. Look at this. It's so tiny. It is so tiny. Oh. Hello, kitty cat. So this is my new kitty cat, Kuro. It is called Kuro Bajitsu, like the Japanese black. Just with my little kitten. This is my sister's little kitten, but I'm calling it my little. Look, it's biting my finger. Ninja Kitten's on a mission. What you doing, fool? What you doing, biting my finger? What you doing, biting my finger? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, biting my fingers? What you doing? What you doing, fool? What you doing, fool? I don't know what you doing. Yeah, you biting my fingers? You biting them? You biting them? Go, yeah. Say hello, no, hello. Say hello. Ninja kitten on you. Your little ninja kitten. Ninja kitten. Oh, you got to go now. Come on, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to YouTube. Say bye-bye. Ow, that's my hand. Ow, ow. What you doing, Pooh? No, it's my face. That's my face. Ow, ow, ow. It's my face, Pooh. It's my face. It's my face, Pooh. Ah. Oh no, my mask. Oh my God, who banned the mask? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Ow, ow. Bye. Oh, it's a ninja kitten cute. See, it's mewing right now, trying to get in. So I might have to go get a brace. In case you're wondering, Poe's tongue is actually my nose. My nose. My nose. But I didn't come back empty-handed. I came back with some magazines. I came back with Official Nintendo Magazine number 70, which I'd already bought, so I didn't really buy that one. Metal Hammer number 219, because I am to metals. The metals rules. And Endgamer number 64-3, because it is cool. Yeah. In case you're wondering why I occasionally appear to be absent-mindedly pressing buttons off the screen, it's because I am. Because I was playing Dragon Quest 9, yes, and I revocated, so I'm a warrior +3, level 3, because I killed one slime and leveled up, and I unwittingly stumbled upon my slime exploit again. So I am now going to end it and see how much experience I got and how many levels I go up and whatever, for your enjoyment on my 3DS. So here it is done, and I get 47,933 experience, which according to my calculator is equivalent to 998.6 slimes. Apparently I killed 0.6 of a slime. I jumped from level 3 to level 24. I earned 52 skill points. and I earned 16,009 gold. Man, that can be helpful. Boring, but helpful. But now we have something important to cover. That is me. Me. Not there. Not there. Over here. With the panda mask on. I am moving. That is right, I am moving. Which means this channel is moving, and all the videos are moving. They'll be in a different place, and everything will be weird and different. And I'll hopefully do more videos. And they'll be of different things, maybe. And it'll be weird and different. And don't ask me why my accent keeps changing. It does that. I put on strange voices. But if I can turn your attention over here. Yes, that shelf there. There is next to nothing on it. Because it is all the new house. And there is a load of crap on the floor and stuff. Because it is being sorted. And yes, if you hadn't already guessed, or if you don't know me, this is basically my room. The bit you can see in the video, this wall, and the door. The door, it's not very special, it's just a door. You know, basically this is my room. I tried to spin around on the chair and show you it, but I could not, because I got stopped by crap. But yes, it is moving, and one of the few things that is here on that shelf is this. Ah crap, ow, ow. Ocarina of Time! Oh, 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 hallelujah! Oh, boom, we're back! So yeah, Ocarina of Time, as many of you will know, the sequel, well not the sequel, why did I say sequel? I know for a fact it's not a sequel. I never ever thought it was a sequel until apparently 2 seconds ago. Or 5. The Uber Duper Super Ruper Duper Muka Duka Luka Shuka Buka Muka Duper Uber Ultra Super Duper Super Special Awesome Mega Chocolatey Fudge Coated Ultra Special Awesome Mega Super Ultra Supreme 3D Remake is coming out tomorrow on the Nintendo 3DS. And I, that's me with the panda mask on, have pre-ordered it. So that is a story for tomorrow. I was going to say another day, but the other day is tomorrow. And I just have nothing left to talk about but the future of my channel, really. I always say I'm going to do things, and then I never do. I always say I'm changing my style, and then I do, and then I change it back, and then I change it to something completely random. The fact of the matter is, it's always going to change, and I don't know how, but it just will. And I'm just gonna roll with it. The Nigel report will return tomorrow. And I also noticed that a lot of my, well, all of my recent videos have been of me being an idiot and making a mockery of myself, which is something I do quite well, as my friends can attest to. Take special note of the panda mask when considering that fact. But I would like to do some serious videos, like discussions and things, and serious impressions on games and movies and whatever, and things basically, but that should be quite cool. There are also a lot of games in my backlog, especially since I buy cheap PS2 games and stuff and then never play them. So I'd like to have a hack at that and make some kind of series out of it maybe. But at the end of the day, or rather at the end of this video, which I am doing at, it's 9:15, not quite the end of the day, but I guess it is, in a way. All I can say is thank you for your support and stuff. And I reached 50 subscribers a while ago and I was quite happy and stuff. And so I'm going to make a 50 subscriber special video as most people do these days, because, you know, it's all the rage. And it's going to be a tribute to each and every one of the 50. And I'm going to talk about them and their channel. I already have the list of things I'm going to say. I have had it for a while, but never actually used it. Anyway, this is all. I can't say final summation, because that's the Virtual Report thing. So I guess I will see you on the flip side, was my old phrase thing.